Today we will have a look at the mechanisms which lead us to lithium compounds. First of all, let's take anisole and a lithiation with methyl lithium to form the ortho-lithiated anisole, and methane will evolve. The mechanism will proceed via a transition state where the lithium of the methyl lithium approaches that carbon. At the same time, the hydrogen leaves this position, will bind to the methyl group. And overall, this methoxy group coordinates to the lithium during the transition state, thus diminishing at least to a considerable extent the energy barrier. So the complexation within the transition state is decisive for the orthoselectivity of this reaction, which is called the DOM reaction. DOM is an abbreviation for directed orthometallation, and this energy considerations were calculated by the group of famous theoretical chemist Paul von Raag-Schleyer. Transition state to the lithiated compound. Another important reaction for synthesizing lithiated aromatic compounds is the exchange of a halide sitting at the aromatic system by, again, maybe methyl lithium, butylithium, and so on. This process is called the permutational interconversion. In this case, the methyl group attacks at the nucleophile at the bromine atom, leading to such an 8 complex. So it is called indeed an 8 complex. Because of this negative charge, it has a linear geometry. The bromide has 3 free electron pairs, is the center of the negative charge, and here we have the lithium countercation. And this lithium countercation will then attack this carbon bromine bond and will then be coordinated to the carbon while this bond is broken. So the electron density goes to the lithium, and then we have the arolithium compound and the methyl bromide. Thanks for listening.